Here is the code.
For my project on hitting with runners in scoring position to see what bat speed and swing length hitters should use for different runners in scoring position situations. So I used Pi Baseball to get StatCast data from July 14th, 2023 to yesterday. Almost 2 full seasons of regular season data. I used July 14th because that was the first day with bat tracking data. Okay, so then I filtered the data to have only competitive swings. I use Baseball Savant's definition of competitive swings. That's the fastest 90% of a player's swings, plus any 60 plus mile per hour swings, resulting in an exit velocity of at least 90 miles per hour. And then I also filtered out players that didn't have at least 331 competitive swings for each season, because I wanted to get their bat speed, their median bat speed and median swing length during the season, and 330 swings wasn't qualified for average bat speed on Baseball Savant. Okay, and then I also did a Shapiro-Wilks test to see if I should be using the mean or the median to get a player's typical bat speed and swing length. I tested Aaron Judge in 2024, and based on the Shapiro-Wilks test, his data didn't appear to be normally distributed. So the mean could be affected by extreme values, so that's not a good representation of his typical bat speed and swing length. So I went with the median. Okay, then a function for the bar plots that we'll see below, and then a function for the this for the bar plot and the table that we'll see below. This helps with this gets the label set for it. Okay, and then this is the code to get the different runners and scoring position splits over the years. And okay, so and the stat that I use is delta run expectancy, which is the run expectancy after the pitch minus the run expectancy before the plus run scored on the pitch. It's really player's run value. So what is run expectancy? So run expectancy, if you don't know, is the number of runs a team is expected to score for the rest of the inning, based on how many runners are on base, the count, and how many outs there are. This is a way to evaluate a hitter on every pitch, but in this case, every swing. Okay, so now I got the tables and graphs for 2-strike runners and scoring position splits. So let me just go through one of these graphs, and then I'll show you the overall table. Okay, so this is with runners on first and second with 2 outs and 2 strikes. For all the swings from 2023 to 2025, July 14th, 2023. When the player swung at least 0.1 miles per hour faster than their median bat speed during that year, it resulted in the highest average run value for all these swings, for all the different players. This tells you how many swings there were. And then this tells you how much faster to swing, if you want to know. Okay, so this is the max one. So, okay, how much faster do you swing? Based on this, about 2 to 3 miles per hour faster. And then for swing length, I did the same thing for swing length. I looked at about the same faster or slower, or sorry, about the same longer or slow or shorter for swing length. And swinging shorter resulted in the highest average run value. And then down here shows you how much slower. So based on this, not that much slower. And this tells you how many swings for each split. And then I did that for every situation with 2 strikes. And down here, we have the summary table. So this shows the bat speed and swing length that resulted in the best average run value for each split. So you don't have to look at all the different graphs. So we can see most of them, it's faster, the same, shorter. Well, actually, all of them shorter, faster, the same, shorter, the same. So this should suggest with runners scoring position and 2 strikes, hitters should swing same as usual or faster, and same swing length or shorter. And then I did the same thing, less than 2 strikes. We have the table here for all less than 2 strikes, and we can see here, just hitters should swing with the same speed or faster, and the same swing length or shorter. And yeah, that's basically the project. Obviously, it doesn't count for every single factor, like weather, quality of the pitcher, quality of the hitters taking the swings. So yeah, that could be looked into the future, but thank you for watching.